prayers. First of all, I will invite the Tala Tala and thy pleasure
Malanga village group to present the Sevu.
Today is yet another significant day for the people of Ba as construction works commence for a new state-of-art stadium at Govind Park. Ba. The new stadium shall see the replacement of the old stadium which was constructed in 1976. As mentioned by the Master of Ceremonies, the stadium was damaged during Cyclone Winston. And through government grant, Ba Town Council shall be constructing this new stadium. This new stadium will have 8,000 bucket seating facilities, shall have a conference room with 200 seating capacity, provision for gym, place change room, toilet facilities, medical room, referees room with canteens. As we all are aware that the old pavilion had the capacity of 5,000. The total funding towards the construction with design and documentation of the stadium stands at 4.175 million. And on this note, I wish to congratulate 4R Electrical and General Contractors Limited for being awarded this design and build works. At this juncture, I would also like to thank the structural engineer for this project, Mr. Vijay Krishnan. This new sports facility is expected to value aid sports development at Ba and make the facility a contributor towards promoting eco-sports. More events are expected to be organized in this new thrilling environment and a higher turnout expected as the facilities to be constructed are to match the desires of our citizens. In turn, it is expected that the reticulation effect shall be felt by everyone leading to progress in the development. Govind Park is historical and has been a significant contributor towards fostering development and economic reticulation at Ba. The park has been a host to many international and local events, including hosting major soccer tournaments, where in finals a record of 15,000 plus people turned up. This ground has been a meeting place for the locals, including international visitors during organized events and tournaments. Our younger generation shall be given an equal opportunity to watch events at home with international class facilities. At this special event today, I wish to recognize the contribution of the past leaders of the town, in particular the ones who played a significant role in establishing this historical Govind Park. The vision of leaders at that time has seen many activities unfolding at this famous park over the last 42 years. The park opened in 1976 by the then Fiji football president, late Manikam Pillai, had some very instrumental lead hands, including former Mayor Mr. Dijendra Singh, Kishore Govind, Vinod Patel, Town Clerk Mr. Rajendra Prasad, and Parmendra Pandey, to name a few. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, my best wishes to Ba Town Council and the construction team in successfully completing this project. Thank you and Vinaka.
Project plan, and you can see the design.